The Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion 6.5-inch circular saw. Lightweight, compact, durable, ergonomic, soft-gripped handle. 50-degree bevel capacity. New Bosch Cool-Pack batteries are designed to reduce heat buildup. These high-efficient battery packs stay cooler and live longer, featuring an integrated fuel gauge and superior cold weather performance. Slim pack for lightweight, or fat pack for maximum runtime. Every battery works with every tool. Power to get it done. Never lets you down. The 18-volt lithium-ion 6.5-inch circular saw.
Bosch, invented for life.